Alright, so Friday, New York session. Kinda look for a trade right now. Kinda setting up okay-ish, but yeah, the setup decent. So I guess see if we go down, see if we give you an entry now. So this works. Can take an entry, but so far I don't see nothing. Could put a limit order here and just get a good stop loss level. So think of that, man. I go do drop in a limit order here. So, and if we get triggered in, then we're in a trade. So let's do that. Limit order of that 47.16. We'll see if we get an entry. Man, I'm just gonna set an alert and see if it trigger me in. If it trigger me in, then we come back. Cause this is gonna irritate me to watch it. Alright, so alert is right there. We'll see if it triggers me in at that price, 47.16.95. Right now I don't see Mikey doing it. So Mikey running away, but we'll check back. Alright, so did not get price back down to where I wanted it. It could go down there, but I guess this was just testing my patience. So I went in on this double pattern here in the 1 minute. Yeah, so this is what I end up taking. I don't know, bro. It just I guess it tests my patience a lot right here. So on double, so I guess look 3-3 bad, but yeah. So this is where entry is. Stop loss below this structure. If this get taken out, then we're done for the day. And we're just gonna set with alerts, and then we're done. And then we check back and see if we win. Yeah. Mm. 47.26 high price. 47.26. Profit level 47, 42, 42. Stop loss level 47.11, 47.11. 4. Gave us a double, but who knows if that go whole. Really, they kind of want something else. But so it goes sometime, yo. Patience get tested, psychology. So that's it, and we'll just check back and see what's what when this done. We'll see what's what. Alright, so checking back on this trade. It's a loss. Complete loss. And that's know if you say about me, I say, bro. Probably emotion again. Probably emotion. Probably FOMO. Cause look at this. As where me they have my limit is a good level. I had it at a good level. I should have just said to myself, come here, so this is where we're gonna take it. If it doesn't, we're gonna just let it go without us. But this pattern here had us thinking different, and we got stopped out, even though price did come back here and was rallying up back, but ultimately it doesn't seem like the buyers were really working right now. So it's a loss on the Friday. We're down terribly on the account, but it's whatever. Down damn near 1% plus right now. It's not going well. Another week ended. And I'm done. Okay. Alright, so we're back in again for the second one. We can do 2 trades a day. Might have definitely because of emotion loss jumping too quick when I should have waited. But now I'm in a second trade, and we'll go see if this level get violated. If this level get violated, then we're done feed it. So yeah. So once that's done, we'll be back. Alright, so back with the update for that the second trade. In all honesty, bro, I could not, emotionally, I could not wait any longer. Honestly, could not wait longer. No, my patience, bro, the candle shut up with 1 to 1 the right as well, but right here, it, and this candle right here, 15 minutes, it choose to do this, bruh. I was just counting for one little fat move up with even a wick. It didn't do that. It just do this for 15 minutes, and then this next one come, and for past 5 minutes it's been doing this. And right now I like 1:50 p.m. New York time on a Friday. I don't have the patience to keep holding this trade no longer. So it's a shame, it's a disgrace, but $3 short, we deal with that next week. You see me? So we kinda break even for the day. Short, basically we just lose $3 fee then call it that. So call it to be that. And I know that it in a few minutes my alert is gonna be hit and this probably get taken out, but I can't mentally, me can't handle it. They go down further and then doing it, because 15 minutes it had the opportunity to just do it real quick, just real quick. 15 minutes I sat there and watched this candle just play around with me, bro, and couldn't bother. When this one opened and started to come down here, I was like, nah, yo, yeah, I test my patience right now. And Friday, and take one last feed already. Second trade, me need to play around with the second trade. Me never have the patience for expound on the second trade. But this is it in a meta trader. So I'm trading. If you go see, alert is still in play. Now the reason why it did bother me psychologically is, yes, I'm a second trade as well. Secondly, it's Friday, and thirdly, you have like it is so close. Look at where the TP is. So for basically for the past 7 minutes, it's been consolidating at my exit. So it tested my patience, man, and it look like it got touch, So it look like it got touch, If it doesn't, then we just have to go check back in when it done, when the session finish. But probably the next 10 or 15 minutes, we go touch with TP. But to be honest, I can deal with that $3 make up next week. That not really that difficult for really make back, to be honest. I would have just go for a 1.3 or something, like instead of 1 to 1, like even 1.5, or when I go for something higher as well, because up here, so like I was going for like 20. I was gonna go for 20 pips, but I was like, man, after it been moving all of like this, and it have all of this, and then it's Friday, I was like, nah, I'm being too greedy today. Even though it have this huge thing here, and we have like a few hours, but it's still Friday, and I'm not gonna just risk it coming back down here and probably just chopping with me. So I just decreased it to the 1 to 1, and it's currently playing around. Now, I mainly did have more anxiety about this because I'm a second trade on a Friday, as I keep repeating. But the thing is, I moved my stop loss to break even, and when we see this a play around, I was like, no. I said to myself, that's why I closed it, because the inner dialogue was like, there's no way, if this actually is gonna retrace before it goes, there's no way I can sit around and wait any longer for this. I can't wait any longer, so I just closed it. But that's it. Friday, break even. It's a break even day. We only lost $3. Only lost $3, man. Only lost $3. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Better exit. Ugh. Come on, just touch no, man. I might just mentally be out. Surround my patience, man. Yo. Check out in like 4 minutes coming out. I don't really want to sit and watch this. Woo! Damn. I'm not gonna say that does not hurt. It does. It does. It does. Look at that. So it did play around, but it was a 2 o'clock candle that actually just took us out real quick. It's messed up, but it's over now. It's over. We'll deal with that next week, bro. At least I'm going into the weekend with a break even there, so it's cool. Totally fine. Channel. Damn. Tell about psychology, yo. Because I couldn't mentally handle another loss on a Friday, I couldn't hold the trade. Could even hold the trade, yo. Part of this pros and cons. Anyways, we out for the week. Next week again.